So 5198 kHz CW. Once again, another mystery. So we've got Morse code, 3 letters, RST. RST. Romeo Sierra Tango. And that's all. 5198. I don't. I've done a little bit of search, hasn't found anything yet. I'm going to continue my search, but this is interesting. Another mysterious signal that we don't know where it's coming from. First time I hear that on that frequency. And I got hinted by HF Underground Post, somebody hearing this. So this is interesting. 5198 kHz, first time I hear that. So sounds like that other frequency 4251 when we were getting the NJDM CW. This is a new one. So the 3 letters sent, RST.